taon po yun. I'll let you know, gusto po nyo malaman na hindi po kayo nakakalimutan. Kung ano po yung Maui noon na awas siyang na maliit na kwan, ako rin po yun. Thank you.
Gusto ko rin po mag-thank you sa mga tumatayong ninang namin ngayon. I won't name all of you, pero alam nyo na simula pagkabata, kayo rin yung nag-guide sa amin. Kayo rin yung naging sponsor. Laging tumutulong, especially financially. Mula elementary, high school, nag-college kami. Hindi niyo po kami pinabayaan. Hindi lamang financially, also spiritually, lalong-lalo na po si Pastor Santonin and Auntie Oli. Sila yung nag-guide sa amin spiritually. Mga reasons po yun kung kaya kayo po yung pinili namin maging principal sponsors. Sabi nga po ni Pastor, second parent. Dahil alam namin, gaya ng pinakita niyo po sa amin since we were kids up to now, alam namin na hanggang sa pag-build namin ng sarili naming family, hindi niyo pa rin po kami pababayaan. Thank you po sa pagsasacrifice niyo na umuwi, Mama Rose, mga Auntie si Maui, Auntie Nora, lahat po kayo, hindi ko na po kayo maniname, pero thank you po talaga sa pagdalo niyo dito sa special day na to. Thank you po.
Bago lang po ang sasabi ko sa mag-asawa. Ayon po dun sa Biblia, may nakalagay doon, ang Diyos po ang unang umibig sa atin. Kaya kung alam po natin na tayo ay unang inibig ng Diyos, doon lamang po tayo pwedeng magbigay ng tunay na pag-ibig. Kapag hindi po natin alam ang pag-ibig nito, hindi po natin maibibigay sa gusto nating pagbigyan. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, Maui and Lynn, tandaan ninyo, kaya nyo minamahal ang isa't isa, kaya nyo iniibig ang isa't isa, kasi ang Diyos ang unang umibig sa inyo.
I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away.
In virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Church and by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce them husband and wife in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Those whom God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with much pleasure and honor that I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Maui and Lynn Vega. Palakpakan po natin sila. Magharap kayong dalawa. Oh, Maui, it's your turn. You may now kiss your bride. That's a holy kiss, remember. Hindi na kuha. Yung medyo matagal daw para makuha nila. Ayan, no? Tatlo yung makatutok. Once again.
On this day, I promise forever.
Ito natin.
On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand, like God's plan. Please say you'll always look at me this way. When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of so lying underneath those stormy skies. She said, oh, I know the sun was set to rise.
So, thank you na lang po. Appreciate lahat po ng pumunta ngayon. And sana po hindi na maulit to.
Thank you po ulit sa lahat ng dumalo, especially kay Ate Bar na
Yeah,
super-
Ate Bar, thank you. And
nagkirap
Ate Maymuna.
tayo. Thank you po.
And Kuya Carlo, appreciate it.
To you. Sige po, okay lang. Okay. Load again there.